Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be making this beautiful sleeve. It's something that I learned recently and I decided to share with you guys. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. God bless you guys. And to all our subscribers, you guys are really the best. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your sleeve. So right now it's folded into two. You are going to just mark the midpoint, make it very straight. You see what I did? I pressed it a little bit. So take your pen and draw a straight line. After drawing the straight line, you are going to cut it out, okay? You are going to cut out that line that you just drew. You cut it out. After cutting it out, we are going to be having two pieces, okay? So it's going to be your left and your right. That's the front and the back. So this is basically what you have. So you take your ruler and connect from this tip down to the other tip. So just take your ruler and draw a straight line. So what I did later on was I later separated them because I want it to be very neat when I place it. So it's like a slash and spread, and also is an opening. So it's going to have an opening and we're going to flip it, okay? So just cut it to the tip, or you can just as well cut it out, but make sure you label it. I didn't label mine. I was able to understand. So when you are done, get a separate paper for it. So you get the separate paper and you place it and use your masking tape to tape it, okay? So see what I'm doing, do exactly that. You place it, there's no required measurement for it because I didn't use any particular measurement. I just marked where the first one stopped and where the second one is going to begin. So what you are going to do is, after marking it this way, you see the cap of our sleeve, the upper part of the sleeve. You are going to now turn it and put it, the bottom part is going to be to the upper part on the other side. So after opening it up, remember we have the upper part and the lower part. So when placing it on your extra paper, you are going to place the upper part to the lower part, then do the same thing, the upper part to the lower part. So like what I did, my paper was a bit small, so I had to attach to the other side. So I advise when doing yours, you use a bigger paper, pattern paper for yours, so it's going to be more than enough. So basically just use your masking tape to tape it this way, and you are going to have a shape like this. You are going to have it this way. This is how it's going to look. So when you are done, you are just going to cut it out, follow the pattern that you have, follow the sleeve pattern, and cut out this part and the other part, okay? So that's what I did. After cutting out the irrelevant part, I used the pattern to cut out my fabric. When you are done, take the pattern and place it on your fabric. And so the fabric you are going to use is, you are going to put it into two places, okay? Same fabric, you put it into two places, because when we turn it, that is what we are going to turn, and you are going to have the same thing, okay? So the fabric is going to be your lining piece and your main piece together, okay? So you are going to do it this way, cut it out. Be very careful while cutting it out. So this is it after I've cut it out. So you are going to just take out your pattern paper and we'll start stitching it. So you start stitching, you stitch the upper part and the lower part. You are not stitching the side, okay? So stitch it up and notch it. That's what I did. After stitching it, I notch it. You can notch just the midpoint, but I notched it round. Okay, I notched the two sides that I just stitched together. After notching it, turn it over and you take it to your ironing table and give it a press. Please, if you are, I advise you use a steam iron for ironing or your outfit. So I've ironed it out and this is how it is. So you are going to just take it and pin, just give it a pinch and flip it. Okay, so you flip it and this is what you have. So when you are done flipping it, you are going to stitch the tip. Okay, you see the sleeve is coming out. Just stitch the tip and join the sides together. So after stitching the tip, I join the sides together and I have gotten my sleeve. It's very easy. So that midpoint, you can pitch it a bit to just stitch it so that it will hold, or you can also just leave it that way. So basically this is the sleeve, and like I said, it's very easy to make. It's just going to have an opening. So when you put it on, you just see that opening and it will have a twisted effect. Okay, so it's just going to be like something that is twisted on the bottom part, but on the upper part it's going to have an opening. So this is how it looks. This is the twisted effect. Thank you so much guys for watching today's tutorial. It's just a brief tutorial on sleeve. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you guys. Bye guys, and have a great day.